triple chocolate hazelnut creamy smoothie today. So this one's really rich and indulgent. So I'm going to be using 1 scoop of the Happy Way triple chocolate fudge protein. I've got half a cup of ice. I'll be using a big tablespoon of Nutella. I've got 1 banana and I'll be using some almond milk. You can use whichever milk you have at home. Now I'm just going to chuck it into my blender and blend it until it's really smooth and creamy.